안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make bean sprout rice, 콩나물밥. This recipe is a vegan recipe, so if you are looking for a healthy and easy Korean food recipe, then check this out. Rice is a staple dish in Korea. We usually cook only rice or with some grains, but sometimes we put other ingredients like bean sprout, oyster, or eggplant. It's a unique rice dish and we mix with sauce when we eat. As I mentioned that Korean beef and radish soup recipe earlier, Korean radish is in season, so I'm going to put the radish as well. It will add some sweet taste. What's more, I'm not going to cook today. That one will cook. Rice cooker. Usually they have many buttons, but in this case, just remember the basic one. Okay, then let's set the table. First, I'm going to wash rice using clean cold water at least twice. And soak rice in water for 30 minutes to give some good texture. During the time, prepare the washed bean sprout and check them if it's bad. Mine is pretty clean. And prepare the peeled radish. Cut radish into thin strips. After that, drain the water of rice and put radish and bean sprout on it. And pour the water. I'm going to put less water than cooking normal rice because bean sprout and radish blow out moisture. Next, put this into the rice cooker and close the door and push the button. It means white rice. It's a basic button. Okay, today's chef is cooking. It's gonna take about 20 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to make a sauce. This is a very important part of bean sprout rice. In a bowl, put soy sauce, minced garlic, sesame oil, red pepper powder, sesame seeds, and chopped chive. Mix well together. Okay, my rice will be ready soon. It's emitting steam. It's done. When it's done, mix the rice well with a wooden spoon. Scoop rice in a bowl and put sauce on it. Bean sprout rice is ready. Okay, let's dig in. Okay, mix well with the sauce. Smells so good. Especially the savory smell from the sesame oil is crazy. Oh my God. Wow. It has a soft but crunch texture from the bean sprout and the radish is just melting in my mouth. And the combination with the sauce is amazing. If you are looking for some unique and special rice dish, then try this. It's very easy and healthy. Today I made 콩나물밥. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.